Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a printable to create some little note cards to decorate your Christmas presents. These are cute little cat printables. They're fun, bright, colourful and easy to create in time for Christmas. These are a printable available on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. There are 3 pages. There's a little cat with a present, a cat with a scarf around its neck, a cat tied up in lights, a snow angel, one in a ball of snow, and one dressed in a Santa suit. So they're the 2 front pages for the cards, and then we've got the 6 little inside messages for the cards. So you'll get 3 digital download pages. Then there's also, this is a freebie on my printables. You've got a little Christmas shopping list where you can write the person's name, the idea for the present, the budget, when you've purchased it, and when you've wrapped it. So this is a free printable on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. This is to help you get organized at Christmas. If you are like me and still shopping for presents, you can put the person's name on in this column here, your idea for their present. Let's say Jessica wants a doll's house. The budget is $100. You tick it when you've purchased it, you tick it when you've wrapped it. James would like a transformer and his budget is, let's say it's $50, it's been purchased and it's been wrapped. So this is just to help you get organized for Christmas, make sure that you've got all the presents under the tree that you need for Christmas Day, because it's such a crazy time of year. And that is a free printable available on my website. Let's get on to creating our little gift tags now. Would you believe I cannot find my gift tags from last year? I'm sure I have a little selection somewhere, but I cannot seem to place my hands on them. So I thought I'd create a little set of gift tags and have them in my shop, and people can purchase them and print out as many as they like so that they can get those presents wrapped and under the tree. So I'm just using my paper trimmer to cut out my little note cards. You could use scissors if you preferred. I'm cutting mine with a little white border around the outside. You don't have to do this. You can cut directly on the black line if you prefer. This is just an option. So just using the paper trimmer to quickly trim all of those out. And then once I've cut out the 2 front covers of all my little note cards, it's time to start on the inside of my cards, which is the little part that has the messages. And it's got Merry Christmas, Do Not Open Until Christmas, Ho Ho Ho, Meow and Bright, and Meowy Christmas. So there's a little bit of a cat theme running through these cards. It's just a little bit of a novelty. I saw these images and I just thought they were too cute not to create something with. And the next job is to fold all of those little note cards in half. And we can use a boning folder to smooth that crease down so that it's nice and folded. All of those cards. Last one. And then our next step, we are going to glue our little messages inside the cards. I'm going to match those to the cards that I think they match the best to. Of course, there's no right or wrong way to match up your messages. And then we're just going to use some liquid glue to glue our message on the inside of our note card. It really doesn't get any easier than this, and I made all of these cards in 10 minutes. So it's a nice, quick, easy project to create, and it allows you to make your own gift tags for the presents under your tree. To purchase your printable and to receive your free printable, head on over to my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au, and these cards really do go beautifully with a red ribbon. I decided to write a message on my cards because I've already got these little presents that are wrapped and are waiting to have a ribbon and a little tag on them. I just threaded the red and white twine through a punched hole in the top of the card, and that just allowed me to pop them on easily to the card. I've got a little bit of a red theme going on my Christmas tree this year, so I chose some bright red ribbon on these gold presents. Punched a little hole in the top and then tied it on with some baker's twine, candy cane baker's twine. Simple and easy, but so pretty. Cut off those little ribbon edges. There we go. 2 presents are now wrapped and done under my tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be really lovely. Make sure you head on over to my website to pick up your printables. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.